Alright, so we're diving into a product spotlight today. Actually, it's two products. One is the Mars Hydro Grow Tent, where more specifically we'll be focusing on the zipper. And the other one is the 6-inch Mars Hydro clip-on fan. So let's start with the Grow Tent. We're going to focus on the zipper of the tent. The Mars Hydro Grow Tent boasts a seamless, smooth zipper that makes access a breeze. No snags, no hiccups, just pure ease. I've had this tent for almost 2 years now, and I have not had any problems with the zipper. Now, along with the zipper, there comes a double flap protection. There's an outside flap, and there's an inside flap. Double flap protection, it ensures that the light leakage is kept to a minimum. It's like a fortress for your plants against unwanted light intrusions. This innovative feature ensures that your tent remains light tight, providing the perfect environment for your plants to thrive. As you can see with the lights off, there is absolutely no light leakage. Alright, so as you saw with the lights off, there was no light leakage, which is what you want. You don't want no light leakage messing up your grow. Now we'll focus on the clip-on fans. If you're ready to bring a breath of fresh air into your garden, this is the fan for you. Let's kick things off with versatility. The Mars Hydro clip-on fan offers not one, not two, but 3 speed options. Whether your plants need a gentle breeze or a powerful airflow, this fan's got you covered. Now what if I told you this fan mimics the soothing rhythm of nature? With the simulated natural wind mode, your plants can experience the gentle sway they'd feel outdoors, enhancing their overall growth environment. As far as assembly goes, it's very easy to assemble and disassemble. No need for complicated setups, just clip on and go. So we'll just clip on like that and go. And to adjust, there's just a knob right here. You turn this, and you can adjust the angle of your fan. Power is essential, and this fan brings it. Equipped with a robust 10-watt motor, it delivers a punch when you need it most. Efficient, effective, and ready to keep your plants cool. This fan is a great value for its price, which comes in at $39.99 US. A very competitive price amongst its competitors. Quality, functionality, and affordability. It's the triple threat you've been waiting for. There you have it, growers. The Mars Hydro Tent, the 6-inch clip-on fan. Your ticket to a concealed, breezy, and thriving grow space. Before I end the video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, when you're shopping at Mars Hydro, you can use my promo code TAPROOTSGROWING at checkout to save yourself some money off your order. Also, this time Mars Hydro has a promo code for Amazon for a 20% discount on their clip-on fans. It's 20 clip-on fans, all capital letters. Alright, so that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. Have yourselves a great day. Until next time, peace.